Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Keap to authenticate payment updates via Stripe. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Keap account using your credentials. Navigate to the settings section on your dashboard. Locate the e-commerce tab within the settings menu. Click on the payments option under the e-commerce tab. Select the Connect with Stripe button to initiate the integration process. You will be directed to the Stripe login page. Enter your Stripe account credentials to log in. Once logged in, you will need to authorize Keap to access your Stripe account. Review the permissions that Keap will request for the integration. Click the Authorize Access button to continue. Return to your Keap account after the authorization process is complete. In Keap, check that your Stripe account is now successfully connected. To confirm successful integration, create a test transaction in your Keap account. Monitor the transaction through both Keap and Stripe to ensure updates sync correctly. Adjust any settings as necessary in both Keap and Stripe to optimize payment updates. Review your payment integration regularly for any updates or changes in integration protocols. This completes your guide for authorizing Keap to authenticate payment updates via Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.